children, welcome to the class. Let's continue with the southern plateaus. In the last class, we have discussed about the state Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So today we will discuss about rest of the states. Children, look at this. Andhra Pradesh is the largest among all the southern states. It lies to the northeast of Karnataka. Telangana is separated from Andhra Pradesh in the year 2014. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. The two main rivers that flowing through the state are Krishna and Godavari. Farming is the main occupation of the people of Andhra Pradesh. Rice, jowar, tobacco, chilies, ragi, groundnut, these are the major crops grown here. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of tobacco in the world. Rice is the main food crop, so the state is called the Rice Bowl of India. Many industries are located here. Cement, tools, shipbuilding, handloom, textile, paper and sugar. Andhra Pradesh is famous for handicraft, beadry work on brass and copper, and kalamkari artwork on clothes are very beautiful. Children, look at this famous beadry work on brass and copper. And the kalamkari artwork on cloth is equally well known. The colors used in this work are from bark and leaves of the trees. Telugu is the main language and Kuchipudi is the famous folk dance. Hyderabad is famous for Charminar and Salarjung Museum. Famous pilgrim center is Tirupati Temple. Look at this famous Tirupati Temple. The other temples at Sri Sailam, Kalahasti, Lepaksi and Simanchalam are popular pilgrim centers. Amravati and Nagarjunakonda are famous centers of Buddhism. Look at this famous dance form Kuchipudi. Pongal, Sankranti and Udagi are the popular festivals celebrated here. Men wear dhoti and kurta while women wear sari. Children, look here. Hyderabad is also famous for Ramosi Film City. It is an integrated film studio located in Hyderabad and spread over 1666 acres. It was built by Telugu film producer Ramoji Rao in 1996. Let's talk about Chhattisgarh. Raipur is the capital. It lies to the south of Chota Nagpur Plateau. It is a wide fertile area where different crops grown like rice, linseed, betel, nuts. Farming is the main occupation. Huge deposits of coal, iron, mica, manganese are found here. The important cities are Bilaspur, Korba and Durg. Vilai steel plant is in Chhattisgarh. Look at this Vilai steel plant. It is India's first and main producer of steel rails as well as a major producer of white steel plates and other steel products. The next state of southern plateau is Madhya Pradesh. The capital is Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh lies in the center of India. It is rich in black soil. The different crops grown here are cotton, sugarcane, oilseeds. It is one of the leading states in mineral production. Different industries are also located here. The newsprint factory at Nepanagar, heavy electricals at Bhopal are some of the examples of industries here. Hindi is the main language spoken by the people of Madhya Pradesh. Panna is the famous diamond mine. The famous Khajuraho temples and Sanchi Stupa are the main tourist attractions of Madhya Pradesh. The famous Kanha National Park and Bandhavgarh National Parks are also located here. Children, look at this great stupa at Sanchi. It is one of the oldest stone structures in India and an important monument of Indian architecture. Look at this Khajuraho temple. It's a group of monuments is a group of Hindu temples and Jain temples in Chhatrapur district of Madhya Pradesh. The temples are famous for their Nagara style of architecture. Odisha is located towards the southwest of West Bengal. The capital is Bhubaneswar. The main language is Odia. Paradip is the seaport. The main crops grown here are rice, jute, sugarcane, coconut, turmeric, oilseeds. The Jagannath temple at Puri is famous for its spectacular Rath Yatra. So this is all about the southern plateaus that we have discussed in the last two classes. This is all about the state of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and North Odisha. So in the next class we will start a new chapter, the coastal plains and